Hello, welcome to watch our video. This time I will draw Tom Holland. Now let's start it. Firstly, we draw a big circle for his head. Then we can draw some lines to get the position of the eyebrow and the ears. Draw little circle for his eyes. Eyes is very important features. Add some details for the eyes. Next, we can draw his nose and the lips. Lips still are very important features on the face. The outline of the face is almost finished. Next, we draw the ears and the hair. If you want your painting looks more vivid, you can add some details on the face. Okay, the outline of the face is finished. Don't forget to draw the Spider-Man's famous feature clothing. Now use the markers to coloring the face. We can draw the eyes firstly. Then draw the light parts of the face. Don't forget left the highlight parts as black. Don't color it. Then is the gray parts of the face. Next is the dark parts. Need more patience when you draw the dark parts, because we have more details in the dark part. When you think the relationship of the light and dark is okay, you can enhance the dark parts. The rendering of the face is finished. Now we start to draw the clothing. Last step, start to draw the hair, from the light part to the dark part. At the last, check your painting and do some little adjustment to let it show be more perfect feeling. Now it's finished. Do you like it? Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye.